Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be drawing a blue serpent-like worm. These are just dragons with no arms, legs or wings, so they are very much like monstrous snakes. This is my first digital art piece on this channel. The first thing I did was on a first layer, I sketched out just a very rough sketch of the body proportions. Then I went over that and started to add the details. Just general details to start with, like the position of the eye, how the horns were going to look, the structure of the head, things like that. And then I started to go into much more in detail things. I also started to add ideas like the frill, spines, the sort of spikes on the chin, just things like that. And this is how I start my design process, just with adding lots of little ideas and then bringing them into one cohesive piece. As you can see, I was playing around with the sort of jaw spikes, and also I eventually just deleted the ridge that I had drawn on in the face and went with just scales, fading them in and out at the nose and the back of the jaw. Again, I was playing with detail and how to convey like scales without doing a full body of scales, because that would take absolutely ages and I don't want to do that. I found that just doing a couple of layers of scales and then just fading them out and then doing a few scales over the rest of the body works well. Here I'm adding some ridges to the chest of this creature, and then I'm going into detail all the way around, just add some sort of difference in the skin to add some variation to the entire piece, so that it's not just a smooth colour or gradient of colours. I then go round the front of this creature and draw in the scales, and then I go into the back and do some sort of flaps or ridges along the back. I feel like I should have made these bigger because when you zoom out, it doesn't actually look that cool. They kind of look not really useful. Here I'm going to draw Drawlords because this was going to be my channel banner, my channel art, but unfortunately I didn't realise how much was cut out over different devices, so the positioning and the composition was all wrong. So this piece just has Drawlords across it. I will be drawing a channel banner. It will most likely be next video, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you see another similar piece to this. It will be of a different dragon though, don't worry. Anyway, yeah, so I used the clipping mask around the letters and then used the airbrush just to do a sort of streaky pattern across them, and then use the clip mask to delete any areas of air that wouldn't have actually been. Unfortunately, the recording for me painting this worm, they got corrupted, so I cannot show you the painting process, which is a big shame because I really enjoyed doing the digital painting on this piece. So I hope you enjoyed the video, even though it wasn't a full video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to see some full painting videos or drawing videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.